We are excited to announce that we are doing an Easter trail on the 2nd and 3rd of April. So this is basically an Easter egg hunt that you can get involved in with your family on the 2nd and 3rd of April. We're super excited for this, and it means that when you sign up, you can let us know if you want to get involved in this, and we'll give you all the details that you need, including a map of where to go around Bilston. And what you'll be looking for are posters of Easter eggs in people's windows. So it's all socially distanced, so if you want a bit of fun with your family on those days, then definitely get involved in this. And for those of you who take part and complete the whole Easter egg hunt, you'll be entered into a prize draw where one person is going to win a giant Easter egg. So that will be announced on Sunday the 4th. So sign up from Monday and you can get involved in this Easter trail. It's going to be loads of fun, guys.
Jesus is the only one who overcame. You are the only way. I know you are the everlasting.
On April the 2nd, it will be Good Friday, and we are hosting a short communion service on that evening at 7 p.m. And you can either join us here in the building, or you can just watch online at xlchurch.online.church. So guys, make sure you join us for that.
And even when I fall, your love is there to lift me up again. Salvation lies in you alone.
Over Easter, we're putting together some Easter hampers as part of our food bank. So if you are someone or know of a family that are struggling a little bit and would like some Easter eggs for their children, then you can head down to XL Church on Saturday the 3rd of April from 12 p.m. till 2 p.m. to collect an Easter hamper. So they'll be subject to availability, but you can just head on down here and collect one so that you can get an Easter egg for Easter.
We believe, we believe, we believe that you died once and for all to show the world your love.
Our next Leadership Development Night is happening on Wednesday the 31st of March, and we're going to have guest speaker Lance Blackwood coming to speak for that evening. So if you'd like to sign up online, then you can sign up via Church Suite or our website. Easter's coming up, friends, and we've got a lot of stuff happening here that you can get involved in. On Saturday, April the 3rd, we are going to be having our very own Excel Easter quiz hosted by yours truly on Zoom. So make sure that you join us for that, for some fun, some quizzes, some questions, and all things Easter. It's going to be really fun. It will just be a nice time where we can get together. So why not join us from that? It will be from 6 p.m. onwards. So that will be on Zoom. So you can just contact us for the details or sign up on Church Suite.
Jesus is the only one who overcame. You are the only way. We believe, we believe, we believe that you died once and for all to show the world your love.
So don't forget, this week is prayer and Bible study on Wednesday, so you can join us at 7:30 for that. And if you'd like to join for Next Level, that's happening on Saturday at 10 a.m. So guys, that's all for XL News. Have a great week.